Hi everybody, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you are new. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I do a super sleek high ponytail, and we're just going to get ready to take some Instagram pictures because what else is there to do? There's literally nothing else for me to do, at least. So I just did my makeup, I'm about to do my hair, gonna put on a cute outfit and take some pictures because it's fun and it makes you feel good. It makes me feel good. So that's the plan for today. So I'm going to be using a ponytail I received from insert name here. I have the Brit ponytail in the color black brown. It is so pretty. It's 26 inches and it's like already styled and has some loose curls at the end of it. So I really like the way this ponytail looks. So the only thing I'm nervous about is having to conceal all of the hair that I have on my head because I don't know. That's why I wanted to do this with my hair wet. I just got out the shower a little bit ago, but I haven't styled my hair at all because all I'm going to be doing is trying to make it into the smallest bun possible. I don't know how small I can get it, but I'm going to really try my best because I don't want it to look like too big of a thing on the top of my head. What I'm going to do is just wet my hair a little bit more because I did get out the shower probably like over an hour ago already. I don't even have a mirror right now. All I'm using is the flip screen on my camera. So hopefully this all comes out good. So I'm just using a bristle brush to smooth out my hair. And I want this to be super tight. I basically want to look like I got a facelift. So let's see how that comes out. And I'm just combing it first before I put any gel. Next, I'm going to be using these huge hair ties. These are my favorite hair ties to use on my hair. Link them down below because I always get so many questions on where to find them when I always find them at Walmart or Walgreens or like any drugstore like CVS or something. So yeah, these are the best, especially if you have a lot of hair. They're huge and they hold your hair so nicely. Now, you see that? Like, you see how tight I got that? Like, look at my eyes. Okay, so my hair is super slick and in a high ponytail right now. This is my natural hair, and obviously I have a lot of it, so I'm a little bit nervous of how I'm going to be able to make this bun as small as possible. I'm just going to go ahead and soak it because I feel like the more wet it is, the easier it'll be to make it smaller. I'm thinking I'm gonna make 2 twists to wrap my hair. So this is my hair in a bun. I think this is the smallest I'm going to be able to get it, and it's still pretty big, so I'm a little bit nervous about that. But like I said, I'm going to be using the Brit ponytail. So yeah, it's super pretty and very silky. It has the natural loose curls at the bottom, so it's already kind of styled for you. But something I do notice, I guess this is like a little bit of a negative, is that it's shedding a lot, or maybe it's just mine, but I have like a lot of hair on like my lap and my surrounding floor and bed and everything. So I don't know, but that's just one thing that I do notice. So it does have a Velcro wrap base, and it comes with the extra piece of hair to wrap around the top. and it also has a clip to secure it into your natural hair. little bit nervous about this Velcro attaching to my natural hair because if that gets caught, that is going to be super painful. I'm going to stick the clip at the top of my bun, as close to it as possible, and then I'm going to take this piece and wrap it around. Okay, see, the Velcro got stuck to my hair. Ow. Oh, man, okay. I don't know how to do this without the Velcro getting stuck. I think I'm gonna flip it over. I've readjusted my bun and I just try to make it as flat as possible because it just wasn't working a few minutes ago. So I'm gonna try this again. I'm gonna stick this little clip inside right here. Ooh, it's getting stuck. Okay, I'm gonna flip my hair over. Flip it back over. I think it looks really cute. It's obviously like a little bit of an exaggerated hairstyle, but either way it looks really cute, and the ponytail is so pretty. It's a little bit tangly right now, but let's fix that. Okay, look at this. It's so pretty. And you don't only have to wear it as a high pony, you can wear it as a low pony, a mid pony, you can even braid it if you would like. And if you're curious and you have some questions about what color is right for you, you can always DM them on Instagram and they can help color match your hair. And that's literally what they did for me. I just sent them a photo of my hair in the natural light and they asked me if I wanted it to match my roots or my ends, because my ends are a little bit lighter, and I told them my roots and they picked the perfect color for me. I'm gonna go ahead and fix my edges, my baby hairs, whatever you want to call them, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I just finished doing my little baby hairs and I threw on these little cute butterfly earrings. I love butterflies, and these were like $12 earrings from Target. So yeah, now I'm just waiting for my sister so she can come and take some Instagram photos for me. Before we do that, I just wanted to show you guys this little satin pouch that comes with the hair. It just has the insert name here logo, and it's this pretty lavender color. I love lavender, that's my favorite color. But yeah, this is just to protect your hair while you're not using it. And this Brit ponytail only costs $49, and you can definitely save some money if you use my code that I will put right here on the screen. I will remember to put the code in this time, and I'll just leave it in the description box, and also their links and all their information so you guys can check them out for yourselves. So let's go take some pictures.